Dear learners, good morning and nice today. I think all of you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear learners, big gap between teachers and learners due to COVID-19 coronavirus. We didn't communicate with you so that our government has taken decision and the Ministry of Education has taken instructions to start through online class as the slogan Amar Gore Amar School. I, on behalf of Mahakali Model High School, Mr. Anisur Rahman as an assistant teacher in English. You are all most welcome and congratulations on behalf of through online class. Dear learners, you always remember you are the student of class 9 and 10, and student of 10 is going to be SSC candidate. You must remember, don't forget, you must study hard. So dear learners, you must follow your books properly. Without the process of learning, one cannot be a good student. How is it possible? Without the process of learning and without the following the lecture of the teachers in the class, one cannot be a good student. Every student has a desire to cut a good figure in the exam. But how to do well in the exam? How is it possible? You must remember the 4 language skill. Student helps develop competence, 4 language skills. Listening and silent listening, speaking, reading and writing. You must remember the 4 letters L, R, S, W. Listening, speaking, reading and writing. Without the learning process, one cannot be a good student. I want to apply the method বেঞ্জামিন ব্লুমস, তোমরা অবশ্যই স্মরণ রাখবে আমেরিকার বিখ্যাত মনোবিজ্ঞানী বেঞ্জামিন ব্লুমস has applied the method of process of learning. So, first step, cognitive, affective and psychomotor. This is the relative. This word means cognitive is related listening. Listening means head. Buddhi vittiyo. After that, reading and speaking is related affective, abegyo, emotion of feelings. So after that, psychomotor means physical, body, means hand. So head must keep the memory, heart you realize emotion of feelings, and then hand. Head, heart and hand, the 3 arms of the learning process. So you are the mature student of class 10 and class 9 student also can join with us. Don't forget the method of Benjamin's Bloom's, what is applied here. So let's introduce today's lesson. You see the books, English for Today, NCTP National Textbook. Curriculum is a process of educational development which is prescribed by the government nationwide or worldwide. There is no alternative. এই বই ছাড়া কোনো বিকল্প নেই। Seen pages, column structure, unseen pages also. So many questions has utilized from the Board of Education. So let's introduce the today's lesson. This lesson is taken from Unit 11, Lesson 2 and open at page 143. Dear learners, তোমরা ইংলিশ ফর টুডে বইটি খোলো, 143 পৃষ্ঠা আছে। Unit 11, Lesson 2. So, I have written the name of the topics, renewable energy sources. And you see the keywords, internationally, crisis, energy and advantages. So, you must see the word internationally. This is only one word. If you want to learn the meaning of the words, so you must keep memory. Internationally means antarjatik bhabe. So, you must learn, try to learn the similar words globally and worldwide. Sometimes universe, cosmic, also Vishwavyap. This is the next word, crisis. Crisis means সংকট। সংকট মানে critical moment, time of dangers, learning point, outcome, energy. You see the energy? Shakti. Shakti means strength, temper, spirit. Advantages, it is very much excellent word. Advantages means facility, shubida. Scope, shubida. Chance, shubida. Convenience, shubida. So many similar words, wide range of similar words. If you want to learn a lot of words, then you can get a clear conception about these topics. After the skills, how to learn about the language skill, reading and writing. Must be listening, after that in speaking. But how is it possible to speak? You don't forget about the grammar structure. If you want to spell any word, it's like a crisis. I have written the crisis means crisis. You must two parts. CRI cry, SS sis, crisis. This is the disyllable. You must remember the process of syllable, monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable and polysyllable. So crisis, if you want to spell the crisis, then you can use the syllable. Energy, ENER, NRGY, disyllable. Advantages, ADHEAD, VN, TAGS, stages. Advantages, this is the trisyllable. So I applied here grammatical structure. You see the grammar structure. APJ Abdul Kalam, internationally acknowledged scientist in India. So I have written here the subject and verb and object. This is the subject and mul verb past form and object scientist in India. So this is the past indefinite tense. I also here applied the structure of tense or rule of tense. You must remember, you don't forget. After this my teaching is, this is a book, pictures, board and marker also. This is my teaching aids, because student also learn and can get the help. I also want to get the help how to teach all of you. Vocabulary, you see the vocabulary, speech, emit and consumptions. Speech means address, bhaktita. Dear learners, you keep silent and listen carefully and with full concentration. You must remember, mere memorizing without understanding is not learning. Mere memorizing means তুমি মুখস্থ করলা উইথাউট আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং, কিছু বুঝলা না, ইজ নট লার্নিং, এটা কোনো শিক্ষা নয়। নাও আই এম গোয়িং টু স্টার্ট টু রিড টুডেইজ টপিকস। তোমরা বইটি খোলো 143 পেজের, লেসন 2 দেখো, রিনিউয়েবল এনার্জি সোর্সেস। In a speech at the 19th Science Congress, internationally acknowledged scientist and former President of India, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Maybe you ask me, what does mean, sir, APJ? A. Abdul, P. Pakir, J. Jainal Abidin. Abdul Pakir Jainal Abidin Abdul Kalam mention that a very important aspect, mankind's future energy crisis, full stop. This is the first sentence as already made. The second one, the era of wood and biomass has almost come to an end. The age of oil and natural gas would soon be over. Few next decades. Massive burning of world's coal jars may lead to the worldwide ecological disaster, because coal burning emits the highest amounts of carbon in the atmosphere. So, Ukraine's, the former Soviet Union, Chernobyl disaster has exposed in 1986 that nuclear energy can be potentially dangerous too. So, according to Kalam, the solution is that mankind can look to is the massive use of solar energy in future, because it has some advantages over than the forms of renewable energy. Dear learners, I have read from the beginning to end of this passage. This is the first paragraph. So, what you do first? Now we learn the meaning of the words individually. Now I am telling, you can underline the word. Speech means address, similar word. আবুল কালাম, এপিজে আবুল কালাম, তিনি একজন বৈজ্ঞানিক। 90তম বিজ্ঞান সম্মেলনে তিনি তুলে ধরেছেন যে ভবিষ্যতে মানব জাতির জন্য নবায়নযোগ্য জ্বালানি শক্তির সংকট। কারণ যেভাবে হি পয়েন্ট আউট, তিনি তুলে ধরেছেন দ্য ইরা অফ উড অ্যান্ড বায়োম্যাস, কাঠ এবং বায়োম্যাসের যুগ প্রায় শেষ হয়ে আসছে। দ্য এজ অফ অয়েল অ্যান্ড ন্যাচারাল গ্যাস, তেল এবং প্রাকৃতিক গ্যাস পরবর্তী 10 দশকে শেষ হয়ে যাবে। তাহলে অবস্থা কি দাঁড়াবে? যেভাবে কয়লা পুড়ছে, সেই কয়লা পোড়ার পরে আমাদের পরিবেশের দুর্যোগ ডেকে নিয়ে আসছে। ফলে এই কয়লা পোড়ানোর ফলে প্রচুর পরিমাণে কার্বন নিঃসরণ হচ্ছে, ফলে বায়ুমণ্ডল দূষিত হচ্ছে। তো আবুল কালাম উনি চিন্তা করলেন, তিনি সলিউশন দিলেন। একমাত্র সলিউশন হলো সৌরশক্তির ব্যবহার। এখন আই এম টেলিং দ্য ওয়ার্ডস, সো ইউ ক্যান আন্ডারলাইন স্পিচ মিন্স অ্যাড্রেস, কংগ্রেস সম্মেলন মিন্স রিইউনিয়ন, অ্যাসেম্বল, অ্যাকনোলেজড সত্যতা স্বীকার করা, আন্ডারটেকেন, এনার্জি I have told previously, crisis and energy. Energy means spirit and temper, and crisis meaning সংকট, disaster দুর্যোগ, burning পুরানো, ecological পরিবেশ, disaster দুর্যোগ, atmosphere বায়ুমণ্ডল, dangerous বিপজ্জনক, potentially সম্ভাব্য. So if you learn the meaning of the word individually, then usually you can translate the meaning of the full sentences. So now dear learners, I have written the 7 MCQ multiple choice questions. You see the board. Mr. Abul Kalam acknowledged internationally. Mr. Abul Kalam আন্তর্জাতিকভাবে কিসের জন্য স্বীকৃতিপ্রাপ্ত? পোয়েট, ড্রামাটিস্ট, নভেলিস্ট, সায়েন্টিস্ট। তাহলে নিশ্চয়ই তুমি প্রথম লাইনেই জানতে পেরেছো যে আবুল কালাম ছিলেন একজন বৈজ্ঞানিক, সায়েন্টিস্ট। ইউক্রেইনস ফর্মার নেম ইজ, ইউক্রেনের সাবেক নাম কি? ইউনিসেফ, ইউএন, ইউএসএ অ্যান্ড সোভিয়েত ইউনিয়ন। সো সোভিয়েত ইউনিয়ন। হোয়াট ডাজ 2 times means? 2 times means ডাবল, দ্বিগুণ। সো সিঙ্গেল, ডাবল, ট্রিপল, নান। সো ডাবল। ডেঞ্জারাস ডিজাস্টার কস্ট বাই রিফার টু, এখানে বিপজ্জনক দুর্যোগ ডেকে নিয়ে আসছে কত সালে এবং এটার নিচে কুড ওয়ার্ডটা এর সাথে সিমিলারিটি আছে, সামঞ্জস্য আছে, সিমেট্রিক্যাল। সো কুয়েত অয়েল ফিয়ার্স, চার্নোবিল ডিজাস্টার, ন্যাচারাল ডিজাস্টার অ্যান্ড নান। সো চার্নোবিল ডিজাস্টার্স। সো আই হ্যাভ written 7 multiple questions. You will get the 7 marks. And later, I have written the 5 answering questions. You must follow the questions, then you can give the answer. What the natural energy resources that APJ Abdul Kalam mentioned in paragraph 1 of the passage. এই প্যারাগ্রাফের প্রথম প্যারাগ্রাফের পেসেজে আবুল কালাম তিনি কি উল্লেখ করেছেন? উল্লেখ করেছেন ইম্পর্টেন্ট অ্যাসপেক্ট অফ ম্যানকাইন্ডস ফিউচার এনার্জি ক্রাইসিস। সো ইউ ক্যান ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য পেসেজ and you will get the answer from this passage also, because this is the same passage. You will get the answer from this passage. Just you learn the meaning of the sentences, then you can get a clear conceptions about the answer. What is the world's petroleum consumptions? এই পৃথিবীর পেট্রোলিয়ামের ক্ষয়জাত ব্যবহার, ক্ষয়জনিত ব্যবহার কি বোঝাচ্ছে? The answer, developing countries will grow their economies about 2 times faster than industrialized countries. So, the meaning is there, the world's petroleum consumptions, you see, the world's petroleum consumptions. The world petroleum consumption has increased from 3 billion barrels annually in 1930 to 50 billion barrels annually today. In the next quarter century, the world's population is expected to be about 8 billion, which is 30% higher than today. So, this is the answer. What is the world's petroleum consumption? And the third question, what is your idea about world economic growth? You will get the answer from this basis. Developing countries will grow their economics about 2 times faster than industrialized countries. Global economic growth is expected to continue at 3% per year. Consequently, the global demand of energy will grow at about 1.7% per year on an average. So, this is the answer. So, this is the same basis. So, easily you can get the answer from this basis if you learn the meaning of the sentences, and if you learn the meaning each and everybody, all the words, vocabulary, you will get a clear idea, and you will get a wide range of vocabulary. So, you will give the answer properly. If you don't know the spelling, if you don't know the meaning of the word, so you cannot give answer properly. Now, the last question, what is the main theme of the basis? এই পেসিসের মূল ভাব কি? The main theme of this basis is renewable energy crisis. Or renewable energy sources means you write the future renewable energy crisis, the main theme. So, now what is our learning outcome? The learners, তোমরা কি আজকে শিখতে পারলে from the beginning to end of this basis? So, you have learned about the name of the topics, renewable energy crisis. After that, you also learn a lot of words, international crisis, energy and advantages. After the skill, grammatical structures, vocabulary, and after introduce the topics also, you get the answer from multiple choice questions and answering questions. This is your learning outcome. আমি মনে করি তোমরা শুরু থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত আমার এই সেশনটুকু লেসনটুকু তোমরা ভালো করে বুঝেছো। যদি if you feel any trouble, then you can contact with me. My number 01716771649. Now, today's end of the sessions. No more today. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye. Sorry, I want to forget. I want to remind you. You are the student of class 10. You are going to be SSC candidate. You will take preparation, and you must be careful about the coronavirus. So, you must use mask. There is no alternative. So, best of luck. Wishing you bright futures. So, no more today end of the session. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.